Hello there, this is Ufuma again, and I'm going to show you how to create an Elastic IP. This is going to be a short video, so I'm going straight to the point. If you are in your EC2 dashboard, come down to Network and Security, select Elastic IP. If you are in your VPC dashboard, under Virtual Private Cloud, come down to Elastic IP, select Elastic IP. From then on, in your EC2, go to your top right and click Allocate Elastic IP Address. In your VPC, go straight to your top right and do the same. Now, you don't have to create Elastic IP in both services. I'm just trying to show you that you can create Elastic IP in your VPC as well as in your EC2. So any one of them will do. From here on, it's the same procedure. Let's go back to our EC2. You see, it's the same procedure. Come back to our VPC, the same procedure. So what do we do here? Under Network Border Group, click on the tab and select your availability zone. And then scroll down to your tags and hit Add New Tag. In your key, enter name. We want to name our EIP. And under value, enter the name you want to assign to your EIP. In this case, I'll give it NAT Gateway EIP. Now, click Allocate. And that's how you create your Elastic IP. If we come to our VPC, since we've created our Elastic IP in our EC2 dashboard, we can hit Console. And when we come to our EIP, we see that we have an Elastic IP named NAT Gateway Elastic IP. Okay, if you're done with using the Elastic IP, you want to delete it, you come to Actions and you click Release Elastic IP, and then you hit Release. That removes your Elastic IP effectively. If you come to your EC2 dashboard and you hit refresh, no more Elastic IP. Thank you for this video. If you think you liked the video, you've learned something from this video, do well to follow me, hit the like button, and put a comment down there to encourage me and to let me know what other short videos you want me to make. Goodbye.